Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Clerk for mobile app sign-in, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Clerk for your mobile app sign-in, start by integrating Clerk into your project. Begin by installing the Clerk SDK into your mobile app. For React Native, use the command npm install at clerk/clerk SDK React Native. Once installed, import Clerk in your application's entry point. Use the Clerk provider to wrap your application component. Pass your front-end API key to the Clerk provider for proper configuration. Next, set up routes for your sign-in and sign-up screens. Use Clerk's sign-in and sign-up components for user authentication. Customize these components to match your app's design. If you need to handle successful sign-ins, implement the onSuccess prop in the sign-in component. This prop will redirect users to your app's main screen after authentication. For sign-out functionality, incorporate a sign-out button using Clerk's Use Sign-Out hook. Ensure you manage user sessions effectively by checking if a user is authenticated. Utilize the current user object from the Use User hook to access user details. To protect specific routes, implement a private route component that checks for user authentication. Inside this component, redirect users to the sign-in page if they are not authenticated. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication using Clerk's built-in options. Test your authentication flow thoroughly in both development and production environments. Monitor for any errors during the authentication process and implement error handling. Once everything is configured properly, your mobile app will be ready for secure user sign-ins. Review the official Clerk documentation for additional features and best practices. With these steps completed, you can now authentically engage users within your mobile application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.